Hi friends, welcome to All About Home. Today we are going to see an easy lunchbox recipe, coriander rice. Let's start. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Take a blender, add 1 bunch coriander leaves, quarter cup mint leaves, just for flavor but it's an optional, 4 green chilies and a small piece of ginger. Add little water and blend to a paste. Now take a pan, add 2 teaspoon oil and 1 teaspoon ghee. Add 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 cloves, 1 cardamom and 1 star anise. To that add 2 tablespoons of cashewnut and half cup finely chopped onion. Saute it till it's slightly brown. At this point you can add your choice of veggies like carrot, beans, green peas, whatever you like. But I am making it plain. Add the grinded paste and cook it till the raw smell goes. At this point add 1½ cup of cooked basmati rice and toss it. Add some fresh coriander leaves on top. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.